Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be changing from my aligners from week 6 to week 7. And I didn't do a video last week because I had to keep these aligners in for 2 weeks. So there was really no need for me to be doing a video. But these are my aligners from week 6. And I'm gonna put these back in the bag and open my new aligners. Y'all, I'm almost done. I'll be done, I believe, November 30th or the 27th or something. But yeah, your girl is almost in there. So yeah, it's week 7. Week 7. Just gonna open them, pop them in. This is my tops. These are my bottoms. So yeah, let's get this popping. And I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to do it when I finish, but I'm going to be telling y'all all about why I decided to get the Smile Direct Club. So be on the lookout for that video too. So let's get until putting these in. It's always a little tightness going on when you first put them in, but they fit. And I'm almost done. So as always, I'm gonna chew my little chewy to help my liner sit in my mouth. That thing break up so quick. But yeah, y'all, that's me switching out my week 6 aligners to my week 7 aligners. And I'm gonna go keep these in a week. So I'll be back next Sunday with the update video and changing it to my next week aligner. So stay tuned for that. Now I gotta do this hair of mine. I took off this bonnet. My hair is whew. But yeah, make sure y'all check out my other videos. Make sure y'all visit my website, JLashaeCreation.shopify.com, to purchase any hair oil, hair and body butter, stimulating shampoo, my handmade crochet pieces. I have some pre-made pieces on my website, and also I'm now doing the fall and winter wear, scarves, hats, booties, shawls, all kind of stuff. So yeah, make sure you get at me, and yeah, shop with your girl. Peace.